Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see this? Yes, y'all remember this car, right? The pop fuse from hell, the no start Hemi PCM from hell. Yes, this one actually do need a PCM because this PCM is internally shorting out the circuit. And what do we have here, guys? They have already opened this. It's a core. They want the core back. But this is a new PCM, guys. Mopar. Alright, so this is not plug and play. I will have to install this, download the software off FCA servers and put in here, and hopefully we can get this car running. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna transfer this to this and plug everything up and see if I'm not gonna bolt it down until I see if this fuse pops. Alright, remember guys, there's nothing in pin 4. Y'all know what that means. That means this is either a manual transmission or a nag transmission. What is the likelihood of it being a manual? So this car is equipped with it. It's a Hemi. It's going to have the nag 1 transmission in it, which means it has its own TCM under the steering column. Alright, so let's get this PCM installed, guys, and we're going to do the same test to see if that fuse popped with this one. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, before I program this computer, remember it's not going to work yet until I put the software in, like I just mentioned. There's also no power supply going to it, so let me get, all these are bad, let me get a known good fuse. Matter of fact, we can do our test now. We want to see if the short circuit coming from this brand new, which is highly unlikely, at least I hope it is. Let me grab another fuse, guys, hold tight. Alrighty guys, here we go. Brand new, not brand new, but known good fuse. I got those in. So technically, if my short was caused by this being plugged in, it should pop right now as soon as I put it in, right? I should have did it like that on the other test, but let's do this. Okay, fuse is in. Where's my test light? Hey, fuse is in and it hasn't popped, guys. Let me turn this jump box back on so I can get full battery supply. Alright. Now. Alright guys. This connector is in. So I'm gonna unplug it for shits and giggles. Unplug. Alright, on the last PCM, when I push this in, it pops. Let's see. Let's do the same test we did last time. Y'all ready? Here we go. I didn't see no spark, guys, which means that short circuit is gone. Yes. So if I had this hooked up, I would have my voltage at 10 and 29. Because this fuse is now good. Alright guys, so let me program this PCM and we're gonna fire this thing up. Alright, y'all ready? Yes, let's get it. Ooh, welcome back guys. Yes, y'all see this? Guess what? It's not red anymore. That PCM, guys. I got it all programmed. Okay, let's see, all DT, a lot of DCCs but pertaining to battery and things like that. Erroneous stuff, guys. When you program a PCM, you're gonna have a lot of erroneous stuff. Let's erase all this stuff. Hopefully the battery's still low. Oh, see, you're gonna get warnings like this because I have to do the ETC, electronic throttle control. I have to set that and enter the mileage and things like that. But for now, it doesn't matter. My PCM is on the bus. Let's see if this thing starts, guys. Uh-oh. I've already told the WCM that a new PCM was installed. I needed the security code to do that. You can't forget the security issues, guys. Oh no. Oh guys, I feel like this thing is locked up, or no, I got a good battery on there. Oh my goodness, if it ain't one thing, is another. Ooh, it feel like it's locked up, guys. Let's go out to the car. Dang. Alrighty guys, I'm back at the car. I left everything out of whack. I want to hear this car run. Does it sound like any oil in this thing? It sounds like it's locked up. Yes. Whew. Had me worried there for a minute. Let's gain access. Is the starter bad? I got a good battery on here. Come on, baby. Alright guys, I need to find, what is this? Anybody? Tom Cook? Chris? Helen? Is that an 18 or a 1316? I feel like a 1316. Let me see if I can turn this crank, guys. Make sure this thing ain't locked up. Hold tight. Alrighty guys. We trying to find out if I can even turn this freaking, oh my goodness. You know we got the problem right. That's $1,000 computer, guys. Come on, baby, get on here. Don't give me a hard time. All right, let me see. Oh my God! Holy sh! Hold on, maybe it's me. No. Freaking motor locked up. Hold tight. Wait a minute, guys. I am not that weak. Let me go the other way. Holy. Damn. It won't turn either way, guys. Oh my goodness. Freaking nothing. Holy crap. What in the... Somebody just put a water pump. This is new, like a new... Let me take this belt off, guys. The belt ain't got shit to do with. Alright, man. Boy, if it ain't, let me shut up until I... Oh! It's not locked up, guys. Oh, you know what that means? Oh, he just put a... This look like a new water pump. What else? Ah! Ah! Dude, man, the damn alternator locked up. God, that sucker is froze. All right. Okay. Let me hold on. Make sure this ain't locked up. That's the only... So the belt, wait a minute, this belt was holding that crank that tight to where I can't even, either I'm weak or that is a good grip that this belt had. Guys, this alternator's not turning. All right, let me take a stab at this. Okay, let me catch my breath first. Let me take a stab at this. The alternator is likely dying a slow death. Now, could it be that the alternator back fed? Where you at? Where you electrical gurus at out there? Could it be this? Mind you, this alternator's froze. That pulley is not turning. Now, when that stopped, the engine likely stopped, right? Because remember, guys, it's got a tight grip on all these pulleys, even the crankshaft. So if the crank not turning, nothing is turning. This car was towed in, by the way, from another shop. So let me think this out. Let me give this a shot. The alternator back feeding I don't know, back through this old PCM. I was trying to smell inside the circuit board, see if I smell anything burnt. Guys, now I'm not an electrical guru. I'm not an engineer, so I can't explain it. I can, however, tell you what caused it. All right, if somebody asks me why you need a PCM, why is it bad? Because it's shorting circuit the system and popping the fuse. How are you so sure? Because I visually verified it with my own eyes. I need to replace it. Okay, now here's what I'm gonna get when I go up there and tell them I need an alternator. I'm gonna get this. Well, why you didn't know that at first? Oh my God, you can't win. That's what I say, guys. And remember at the very beginning of this, I told y'all this is one of those customers that once you tell them something, it's locked in their head and you better be right. It's not that I was wrong by getting a PCM. I didn't go far enough. Is that it? Not even that. There's steps you got to take to get to your final destination, guys. And this is one of those steps. I had to replace this. I got all my power back. Remember, y'all saw the computer. But I'm cranking over. It's a wonder. I'm hoping I didn't pop that. I'm hoping I didn't burn that damn computer out. I'm hoping I didn't pop that fuse. That's why these fuses are so important. Okay, the fuse still good. So it didn't short that out. So I probably dodged a bullet. Had I did get it to run, I probably would have back channeled back. Who knows? Okay, I need an alternator, guys. I need a freaking alternator. Whoa, man. This get crazier. Guys, I'm telling you, man. This can... Now, will this customer assume she brought it to the wrong place because I didn't get it right the first time? That's the criticism. That's the criticism I'm going to get when I go back up there and tell them, look, man, I need an alternator. Why? Because the alternator is froze up. I did not check alternator operations doing the checking of for the reason why it's not cranking or starting. All right, I have to get past something to get to something. I have to cross one hurdle. All right, it sounds like I'm preaching now. The bottom line is I need an alternator. All right, so, oh my goodness, what a freaking mess. I'm just glad I found the problem. All right, guys, I'm a little distraught. Only because I know what's going to happen, what's finna happen. I just have to keep y'all updated. I'm going to close this video. I'm going to take a beating. My image is already taking a beat. And I know you guys in the comment going to be like, well, you didn't do nothing wrong. You guys don't understand, man. They expect us to be perfect. I mean, when you go to the dealership, that is the last stop. Them guys are God over there. They know everything. They don't need no freaking start here disclaimer. Yes, we do. Because this is a man-made car and there are steps you got to take to get. I've already said that. I don't want to sound like I'm being repetitive. Well, I need, that PCM is good. That's the new one I just installed. I need an alternator. It's just that's plain and simple. All right, guys, I'm going to close this video out. I'll let y'all know what happens. I'm not going to make a video showing me replacing the alternator, that's for sure. But I will let y'all know what happened. Because that is the last step. Because I want to make sure... I don't know. We'll see, guys. I'm frustrated right now. So, I tell y'all what. Y'all hold tight, man. Just catch me on the next video, man. Or the live stream. I might talk about it in the live stream. All right? Stay tuned. I appreciate y'all watching, man. What a headache. What a crazy cluster. All right. Thanks for watching.